How to withdraw from Kraken to bank account. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showcasing Kraken, which is a cryptocurrency platform where you could buy and trade different types of cryptocurrency. And we're going to show you where you will be able to withdraw your money from Kraken to your very own bank account. So first things first, make sure that you are logged into your Kraken. Right now I am over here. And the most important section is to verify your identity, where you will be able to, or you will need to upload your ID and take a selfie. By verifying your identity, opening transfer section over here on the left side will allow you to view the deposit and withdrawal. So in this section, after verifying your account, you should have an option to deposit from your bank account or withdraw from your bank account. This is also the section where you will connect your bank account with Kraken or your credit card. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.